you are in my Visual Code Studio, and on the right hand side you can see that I have all the files, all the folders. So let's start one by one. So here is a git file. You don't need to worry about it. Here is the file. You will find all the images, all the images. Inside the images you will find this creative images. So they have different folder. They have illustration, they have a logo, they have shapes, they have a small logo, they have themes. So all the images are in different folder, which is really good for all of you. All you have to do is to find the name of the images and go inside the folder, and from there you can easily able to replace. So this is the image theme sections. Inside this you will have all these images. Let me close this one, it's really big. And inside there, after that, we have a JavaScript file. So here you will have some core file. So they have used Bootstrap in this. They have used all mini.js, right? So these are the libraries they have used. You don't need to worry about it. You have to use it as it is. You don't need to do any changes here unless or until you know that how to code. Okay, so if you don't know, just ignore this file and just go as it is. These are the plugins which they have used, again external plugins for having certain functionalities. Don't need to worry about this as well. And let's close this part. So inside the plugins, as you can see, they have used a couple of extension as well. So Bootstrap, chart extension. So all these external files they have used for designing this entire template. So you don't need to worry about it if you want to go with the same styling. And if you want to do the modification, you can do it very easily, but you have to have a knowledge that how you have to use the plugins, how you have to use the external file structure to do the changes in the template. So these are the JavaScript file. Now let's go to the fonts we have already seen, and here is the actual CSS they have used for this template. So let me close this part. So here they have used the actual CSS. Here you can see alert box, they have used avatar, badge, buttons. So what the best part of this template is, they have divided the entire template into different sections, website into a small component. If you are familiar with React, in React what we do, we break the entire website into a simple component, a small component, and we combine all the component together to create an app. And that's what they have done. They have break the entire application into a simple component, and they have adding together. So that's all the files you can able to find. So if you want to do the changes in the navigation, as you can see here, they have a different navigations. So navigations, vertical navigation, nav bar. So that's all you can able to find. Paginations, progress bar, social buttons, tablets, timeline, tooltips, typography, utilities, variables, themes. So all the files are provided for you. So let me open that button one. So this is already, we are into the buttons. As you can see, a normal styling, general styling. Then this is here they are removing the last child and active state. This is for them. This is they have added the media query as per the different screen resolution. As you can see, they have mixing function they have used here. So if you are familiar with Sass, you can easily able to do it, and Sass is not that complex, and you can easily able to learn Sass as well. As you can see, all the files are provided to you in this variable section. So these are the general files, and here is another file. We have variables. So here inside the variables file we have so many files. As you can see, inside the variable we have animation, avatar. So these are the different files, general files, and inside this we have another small component. So they have all the files that provided to you. So you have to download it and explore one by one, check everything from your end. And if you're learning coding new, then I must tell you that this is going to be one of the best application for you to build and explore, because the kind of file structure they have used, the kind of modern technology they have used for building such a great template, great design. After building this, after going through this entire template, and once you build this entire template by your own, you can easily able to build any kind of applications with 100% responsive. That's, I can take your guarantee. Okay, so these are the CSS file, and let's come to this doc. From here you can able to find the documentations. Like if you are confused, you can easily come here and you can easily able to check from here. This is the doc, and this is the media query. So images is nothing but a GIF images. This is the node model, which you don't need to worry about it. In this you will find all the pages. Like as you can see, we have a billing page. So that's billing page, all you can able to do here. We have a dashboards, all the dashboard you can able to find, profiles, HTML, then sign in, sign up, tables, virtual reality, and here you will find indexed, main index, which is populating. No, not this one, not this one. So here you can able to find everything. So all the templates are provided. You don't need to worry about any one of these npm node modules. Just simply these are the files that are important for you. As you can see here, we have a card component, custom card component, forms, mixing. So as I tell you that Sass provide you mixing functionality, which if you are repeating same code over and over again in your application, so you can convert that function, that code into a function, and you can reuse it. And that's the power of like Sass. Okay, so here it is. Let's come back to the here in our code. So here they have used CSV file. You will learn about CSV as well if you go through this. So let's search the icon which we have copied there. So FKDRF, and if I paste this icon, so as you can see, if I go search it, if I remove this, as you can see, we have 32 search. So you can easily able to navigate, like this is the icon they have used, and these are the styling they have provided. So to do the changes, all you have to do is to go to the CSS folder. Like this is the folder where you have to go. Okay, and from here you can easily able to check all the styling which they have used. How all of you, hope you guys are great and welcome back to yet another video. So here I have a dashboard which is built on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There is no external frameworks, external libraries are involved in this entire template design. Okay, so in this video I'm going to cover every single thing about this template, that how many pages are there, how you can do the editing, what are the functionality it's provide. That's all I'm going to cover right in this video. So if you want to know about this template and if you want to utilize it in your upcoming project, then make sure you watch this video till the end, and at the end I will tell you that how you can download the source code of this template. Okay, so this is how it's going to look on a desktop. So when you open your application, this is how it will look on a browser, and on the right hand side you can find all the navigation menu. So this is the dashboard, template, billing, virtual reality, RTL, profile, signing, sign up, and here is a small pop-up which you can display if you want to promote any product. Okay, and here's the upgrade button, and as you can see, the moment we are hovering our mouse, we are getting this nice over effect. So this is for the side menu. We're going to explore each of these page. Okay, let's come here. So here, this is the nav bar. This is how it will look, and if you click here, we'll have this nice effect. This is our button. We'll have some nice over effect. So if I click on this, here we have our side navigation. So we can easily able to change all the colorings, all the font size from here. So if I click on this color, this is already exists. As you can see, the color is changed. If I click on black, blue, green, orange, and simply this one, so you can easily able to do the modification and change the entire theme of your template. Okay, now come to this section. This is a side nav. So you have this transparent white. As you can see, the changes are taking place right up here. If I click on white, we'll have this way. If I click on transparent, we'll get this styling. Okay, and here is the control of navigation. If you want to have a sticky navigation, that's you can control from here. So if I remove this, we're not going to have a sticky navigation. As you can see, the navigation is not sticky. But if I open this and if I just click this, and now if I try to scroll, we have a sticky navigation. So that's a beautiful feature of this application which you can provide to your user. Okay, now let's open this once again, and here you can promote the services which you want, and this is the general buttons. So this is how you can control the entire theme of your template. Okay, now let's close this and let's click on this notification. So this is the notifications will display here. As you can see, a beautiful notification. It's coming with animations and it has a nice over effect. So that's for the navigation, and this is the place where you can display whatever you want, all the data of your applications or user profile. This is the place where you can highlight the product and service, and here's the best part. Here you can able to display all the data of the user, that how many users they have, how many clicks they are getting, and that's all you can easily able to modify it. So as you can see, the moment you over your mouse, you will get the details, and you can easily able to change this dynamically. Okay, with your backend. If you know how to code with backend, then you can easily able to change this dynamically. If you over your mouse on this, you will get this nice over effect with details, that all the details you will get, all the status you will get. And this is the place where you can able to highlight all the projects. Okay, these are the project name, and the moment you over your mouse, as you can see, we're getting this name. And if I click come to the next one, the image is coming our front and with the name. So that's a nice feature this templates provide. These are the static value. You can easily able to change that. This one is really good. I really like it. The moment you over, the images are coming forward, and that's what is there. This is the place of order review. So this is how everything will look on our desktop, dashboard. Now let's move to the next one, to the tablet one. And if you click on that, here you will come in this tablet section, and from here you can able to manage all the authors, that how many people have authors, members, roles, or contributors or authors. That's all you can able to handle here. So as you can see, you have the details, and you can able to do the changes. Right now it's not working, but you can make it functionable if you want to really use it. Okay, and here is the project which you are highlighting. So this is one is not, so this one is the basic one. Now let's come to the billing section. And this is how the billing page would look like. As you can see, this is the place where you can highlight the demo card, or you can easily able to highlight the user card, those who want to save their credit card number in your application. So you can show the card here, salary, PayPal's price, and from here you can able to download their invoice. If they want to download it, they can easily download it from here, and credit card number, visa number, and here you can able to see all the details like of all the billing information. You can easily able to modify this. You can able to see the transaction, that where this guy is making the transactions from your platform. So that's all you can able to cover from here. If you click on this, as you can see, we are getting this nice background color on button. So this is looking really quite good. These buttons are not working. You have to make it functional. These are generally static templates. You have to make it functional with the actual data. Now let's come to the virtual reality. So this is a kind of a landing page which you can use it to promote your application. So as you can see, it's nothing but a simple static page with a navigation and with the nice big background color and with all these features. As you can see, the moment you will over, you will have this effect. The the messages, the date, and the informations, and the home button, search, and this all information you can easily able to highlight. If you scroll, as you can see, it's beautiful scrolling up and down, so you can easily able to customize as per your requirement. But I don't think this page is going to be needed for all of you guys. Let's come back here. Now let's go to this RTL, and this is the best part. Okay, the moment I will click here, you will see that everything will turn into a different language, and that's what I really like about this template. It's do provide to have a different language with different styling. So if you want to if you are targeting a specific country, for example, they are in Arabic, so they have completely changed their theme of the application in Arabic, and the text are changed, the positioning of the elements are changed, so you can do that kind of modification as well. And from you can see all the information you are getting, like desktop, billings, and all these things are there. It's same, but in from the right hand side. But if you want to do the changes from there, convert it to a different language, from here you can easily able to changes to English, but you will have the same styling. Okay, so now let's come back, and now let's come to the profile section. So if I come to the profile section, so this is how the user profile will look. So they will have a nice banner. Here is the information about the profile. This is a search, this is the online button, same sign up, same navigation. From here they can easily able to control. Only this portion is changing, but if you want, you can target the entire template. You have to go and do the changes in the root directory of the coloring. Okay, and this is the notification, so everything is same on the header section. And here is, you can see user profile, and these are the tab. So if I click on this, you will see this nice overhead, this nice slide highlighting. It's really cool. Okay, and this is the place profile settings, so you can easily able to check in and uncheck. So this looks really good. It's working 100% functional. Here you can able to display the information of the users. They can easily fill, and they can easily able to find the information, and they can do the editing from there. And over the mouse you will have this nice over effect. From here you can able to display the conversation they're having with the other user of your platform, so you can easily able to display, and they can easily check the reply and do the messages. And here is the part, this is the project section. If they want to add any project, want to add articles, so they can do it from here. As you can see, this is the article sections. If you click here, it will have this nice over effect, and the same thing it goes here. Those who will review the project, they can easily able to highlight their name, their images right down here. So this looks really cool. I really like this part of this template. And this is the footer section. Now let's come to the signing page. So this is the signing page. Here you will have a sticky header, and from here you can easily able to navigate to different pages like dashboard, profile, sign up, sign in, and you can easily able to provide some kind of downloading stuff. From here user can fill up the details, and they can log into your applications, check in, check out. So these are the same thing, all the pages you will find here. So let's go to the sign up page, and this is also looking really good. So they have a nice banner, and the entire header is changed. So here what they have done, they have used reusable component system while developing this application. As you can see, different pages have different head navigation. So that's happening because of the reusable component structure which they have used in building this templates. So you can change the complete styling of a header according to the pages. So they have a nice banner, and this is the place from where user can create their account. So here they're offering Facebook, Apple, Google. They can enter their details manually, and they can create their accounts. And let's go back to the dashboard. So far we have all these pages. We have explored every single page of this entire templates. So now let's talk about the responsiveness. Okay, how it's going to look, because that's the most important thing. So let me bring this one. As you can see, let's come up here and let's talk about the responsive. So the moment I will squeeze, as you can see, just have a look. Everything is 100% responsive and flexible because they have used grid in this. So as you can see, every change is taking place. So right now, if I expand this, this is how the actual design will look on a desktop. But the moment I will just try to squinch, the moment I will bring them little closer, as you can see, the changes are taking place automatically. Font size are getting changed, the alignment of the divs are getting changed as per the responsive, and this is how it will look. This is the very first change will take place when you will make into a smaller device. So here we will have a hamburger signs, and this is how your site navigation is going to look. As you can see, you have a cross button. From here you can navigate to a different pages because of this slide one. Okay, and this icon sign is also changing. If you click, it will remain same, but here if you click, it will also remain same. So the two changes happen here is in the layout, and we can easily able to open and close our navigations, and you can check the layout. So as you can see, this is how it will look. This is how it will look. Let's scroll it down. Everything is working fine. There's no breaks. Okay, now let's come out. Now let's take it to further. As you can see, the moment I will bring, and this is the second breakpoint. Okay, still we have the same navigation for the header. There is no changes in that, but right now we have two columns row. This is the full section, this is the full section, and this graphs are also in the full section, taking the full width of the container, and this is into a two row. Right now here we have a slider, so you can easily able to slide, and we are not overflowing this part. Okay, And you will notice one thing here, we have a button as well, so I haven't talked about it. So it's for the side navigation. So let's come here up and let's bring this down. So as you can see, everything is 100%. So let's come here and now let's come down. Okay, this is the second breakpoint where the navigation is coming down and the page are there. Okay, so it's looking good, nothing is broken. Still the navigation is there. Right now we have the search, everything's working fine. Side menu, all is good. Now let's come here, scroll all the way down to find. Okay, so everything's working as it is. There is no changes, there is no broken divs. Now let's come at, now let's take it a little close. So this is how it will look on a mobile device. As you can see, 100% responsive for all the devices. So they have worked really pretty good in this. So here we have a navigations, or here you have a button for providing some kind of forward navigation. So this is how it will look on a navigation. And if you want, you can easily able to remove this navigation on a mobile phone. You can with this adding a small media query, okay, which I will tell you how you can do that. And from here you can easily able to control every single thing. You have already seen that. And as you can see, the font sizes and the div sizes got changed as per the screen resolution. Okay, and this is how it's going to look on a mobile phone. Let's scroll all the way down. So everything's looking fine. Now let's navigate to the other pages as well. So let's go to this tab one, and this is how it will look. It looks stunning because these data need to be in one row. That's why it's overflowing, but there is no big deal because it has a personal slider. As you can see, you can able to find all the details from here. Let's come down here, and same goes for the tables as well, the project section. So the user can easily able to navigate and check everything. Now let's go to the next page, and here is the billing page. So this is how the billing page will look. So card information, salary, PayPal, the information of the card which the user have saved in your application. And if you want them to remove, they can easily come here and they can remove from here. Here you can find all the invoice and all the billing details, all the latest investment they made or latest payment they have done from your platforms. So this is how it will look. And let's come to the next one. So now let's go to the virtual reality. So this is how it will look, virtual reality. So in a mobile phone, it has a entirely different look. So as you can see, the user profile you can easily disable, and these are the search, these are the couple of highlights, music player, and these all things. Now let's go to the next one, this RTL. So this will turn your entire application into a different level, okay, into a different language. So right now it's in Urdu, so let's convert into English. So this is how it will look, but from the right hand side. So you can see everything is working fine for Urdu as well, but if you want to turn it to right, you can do that as well, no problem in it. Now let's come back here and let's go to this one, the profile section, and this looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, the only changes you have to make, if I were you, I'll go with this design. There's no problem in it, but if you think that you need to do the changes, you can easily do that. Okay, this is the hero section, background, and this is the user profile. If you click, same thing will happen. It will be highlight the sections, co-founder, all the user profile details you will find right up here. The details, the conversation the user are having in your platform, they can easily able to reply. And these are the profiles. You can add the project. Now let's go to the other page and let's go to the signing. So this is how the sign up page will look. As you can see, nice navigations. They can click and they will have this drop down. Oh my god, this looks great. And they can easily able to navigate all the different pages. So this one is really good. I haven't seen this. Okay, so this is the login section. They can easily fill up the details and they can log in. Now let's go to the sign up, and this is the sign up page, totally different styling, and this is the same thing. It will look, as you can see, it's looking beautiful. This is the registration pen and the status, how it looks. So everything is 100% responsive and looking beautiful. I must tell you that you should give a try. It's looking incredible. And now let me take you to the source code and let me show you that how the file structure it is. So here, simply navigate and do the changes. So I hope you have got the complete understanding that how you can do the modification, what are the functionality this templates provide you. So I don't want to extend this video too long because it's already getting big. Now let me tell you that how you can download the source code. So just open your browser. I have already opened my website. So simply go to my website and come to the blog section, and inside this articles I am providing all the templates. So here, this is the portfolio template I have provided. So I'm not going to create a separate page because why should I do that? So I'm going to add all the templates you will find inside this. Come here, download it and use it. Okay, so hope you have found this video valuable. If you have any questions, any doubt, leave in the comment sections. So your focus should be on building project fast. Okay, the more project you will build, the more you will learn. So if you like any component, you can just simply take that component and use it into a different application. That's what I do. Like this side navigation, I'm really liking it. So I'm going to use this in my React project because this one is really looking great with nice effects, nice changes. And this is the component is also looking good, which I'm going to provide into my next applications. So these are the component I'm going to use it. So all I have to say that come explore. It's not necessary that if you are not going to build a dashboard, you can explore this, you can learn from it. And if you like any one of these components, you can do simply copy and paste. Why you should going to code the same thing? Okay, that's the point. You can easily copy the code and you can use it. I know you can easily build it, but why should you waste your time? That's the main point. So hope you have found this video valuable. If you have any questions or any doubt, leave in the comment section and I would love to help you in that.